Ki samla puli ke school ba North Eastern Hills University hane ke sngi ke layo kendu ya Vice Chancellor jong kane ke school ba ban dawa weng mardor ya Nantu das ubala syakem halor ke jingkeno tmu tombor ya ka Kynthei hapo NEHUSU. Shushu katkum kitulong kubor ke layo thu ba kane ke lanot kedai ke volunteer ke badon benta ha ka ban kmi ek samla na ka benta ke Lempung Women's Inter University Football ka ban long hapo ke jela Odisha bat kamde setia ke samla pule jong ke school ba NEHUSU. Nagalyang ke NEHUSU kala dawa no Vice Chancellor ban wengkam no mardor ya Assistant Director of Sports jrong ya kane ke Kynthei. Shushu ala yetu bakat kum ki kendon Assistant Director of Sports don hok ban lech chau yaka lane ban don bentakam klem da don lang ki para Kynthei ki ban ya simbenta haka Women's Inter University Football. Shushu ala itu ba kibahayeng jong kalanot kila ujor da kai hijahar persya yaw ni ubreu bat na kalyang kipulit kila kemno ya Nantu das.
Please maintain and also develop a system.
Sir, but then
Yeah, of course. That's why going to take a hard decision under the rules and system.
that's not happening.
There's no system for section. The system, no. He can also
So we don't want to say him alone again. He doesn't feel safe around him anymore.
He can also go in the on the basis of that university are not following any system. That's why the Please don't want to discuss your meeting. Meeting is already over, and thanks to all the students for cooperation to conduct the meeting. And this is a very crucial meeting, financial meeting of the university. Students want to anything. I have always been the student. Not today. In the past also.
It is a crucial matter.
Definitely, this is
safety and security. So, students, in order to feel safe, we need your signature. It means something for us.
Father figure in the university.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, we need your signature.
You have to prioritize this matter.
It's for the emotional safety of the students here. Kindly, sir.
You are just so that father figure in the university.
That's my signature. A student unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Student unity, long live! Long live! Long live! A student power, long live! Long live! Long live!
Take a photo.
Long live! Long live!
Photocopy to give him the one copy to
Solid proof, right? Yeah.
Solid proof is?
That you are doing.
This is my office signature.
I know, sir.
My office signature is
Sign.
my office signature is
Sign.
Vice Chancellor is going to sign anything without any record. No one can find out. Either my identity
Sir, if you condemn this, what's the problem? Can you what's the problem in, yes, if you condemn his action, what's the problem in signing that?
This is not a
It was
system.
give us a sense
Okay,
of assurance that you
Vice
are
Chancellor is not a receiving officer. Vice Chancellor office already have a receiving department, and we already appointed already.
So we have multiple complaints against that person.
Just like last time.
Multiple complaints.
Sir, just last time also you
No, I have not received anything, any complaint in the past.
in the last memorandum you did sign, there was no problem. So now what's the problem?
Sir, last time also first register signed and then you signed.
Yes,
So
sir.
kindly do the same process. Let them.
Okay, no, this is not. I'm going to
Give us
write
assurance
anything.
that you are with us. No, just give us
Yes,
time.
sir. If you would ask me,
No,
you sign.
this is not. No, you cannot.
Get the register signed.
This is my humble request to all the students. Please follow the system of the university. You can't do anything. You are the student. I am ready to accept it. But always follow the system of the university. No, I would like to develop a system in the university, and my office is already dictating. He is going to put up in me accordingly. I will prepare a note. Wait 1 minute. I will prepare a note and submit to the registrar, and then registrar is going. Also, this is very simple. The whoever is neither one is जो है Nantu Das, any other, either any जो है teacher, not teaching, and others are going to involve in this activity. This is very simple, and I'm going to condemn this type of activity in the campus also, and definitely under the rules and regulations, ready to take the hard decision.
So today's meeting is about that, or is it about something?
No, this is meeting is finance committee meeting. The finance committee meeting is already scheduled before the week, before 15 days. We already conducted the one meeting with the KCU, another meeting with the NEHUSU. But I can ensure my students, I'm not going to tolerate such type of activity in the campus of the.
So when will the meeting be conducted for Nantu Das? When will the meeting be conducted for Nantu
Regarding this
Das?
matter.
My one team is already working on that. Yesterday I came back in the night near about 9 p.m. Someone already informed and made a discussion with the registrar and other officers of the university, and they are already working on that. Okay, so procedurally I'm going to take the decision, but to complete the process it may take some time. No, already all of you are given me the 3 days time, and within 3 days time I will take the decision.
So what kind of action will you take to ensure that this kind of act will never happen again in this campus?
According to the system of the university. University already have a system. According to the system of the university. Yes.
So your signature.
My signature, this is
नेहरू VC sign करो, sign करो, sign करो.
So your signature.
my signature.
Yeah,
My
that's
signature
your
is not required in this case.
Security in charge, but yaka post trong assistant sports director hapon NEHU. Dawa yaka university yaka administration bau kin remove no. Mar ya u na po ka post trong but because nim dan jaka ya kumutu jat bri yaka university jung. Dingi du ni layo. Na itaru ni layo show ki don hikna balayo sim tharai naka balayo kani ko kubon kila don ki bawan ong ini ba ulale show ki kam ini balak jangan ta insa okta city bayo na ta kna
Dengan juri PJPC kani ka shiti ka lo ni shiti ka ri. This is to inform you that I, as a student of NEHU, and I have been playing college events, due to which I have to talk with the sports director, and he has called me unnecessarily many times alone. During every meeting, he has made me feel uncomfortable with his comments, and he has also threatened me regarding participation in game. I do not want to reveal my identity as I am still scared. Saying la basiko na kani ba ki kana ba kala ju jateng hende ki pajulut ban wan shukmat. Beling ba ki ne ba kilayo complain menente ki kana du kila khandu ban wan shukmat ban. Ni dai le ka ba ka. Kintu ki ba kinum tieng ha ba ki ja kum ki ki ba kinang wan bet shukmat ban ai bi complain sa kila dadan balik kum kata. But kinum tieng ba kin one batch ke ban bagi ai
kontra union nila menyusul action tadi ya kita diberi di balik kum kita hikam and ni ruik wa ben ong bah ke campus ni bah jadi bentuk ni diberi lebih yang di ban di kampus ke security in charge kenapa mangin social ngai ha ke university jong ko university jadi mangin yo semua bah chalet di board ko ni source air mo bah ha ke university ni mla ban ya like load ni don be da jinx air minsip te ni small thing ba dan security in charge ubalik kum kata kam
but ni program juroi kini ke jingle jong u namar kam dei ka kam ka ba kadai ka kam ka ba chaklia tam but kadai ka ba penjak burom om tang ya u hiru kadai penjak burom ya university barok kuai ni kena barok kuai ba di kinong hikai barok kuai te ni kum ka NEHUSU ni yang hang ni ban program jur ya u Nantu das ya kini ke jingle jong u
dan yang jaga jing sekolah meru ya itai bala shat le thambon ha Nantu das di ban di mus no ya uni Nantu das na ki post baro apa university
mga ngadi daya pira khasati ngawan research scholar forum jong kanihu te nakaliang jong research scholar forum ngakwa ban ong ba kani ka eke jingle jong Nantu das ka penlong ngi ki khna research ru khamtam mangi ki researcher ki babon ki bawan na ki labs ki batre ha ki lab jong ki tengte hadech ko bije kru bije or dalamit so ka penlong ngi bangin feel unsafe la don kum uni ujat breu ha kani ka yute nakaliang jong irungi demand ban weng no naga kam jong kum assistant director jong ka sports department ban kum chu ru bade in charge jong ka security jong ka ni hu haba nong penyat hi nong pet hi ka ya ka security jong ka ni hu ulong kum ne te ni ngin ngolong safe kum no ki Kynthei mo ki Kynthei ba pule ha ka ni ka university te ni demand ban weng no yu kum ba ki la ong ki NEHUSU bangin aya ka license ni ka pot ban weng no yu te ngi mangirungi support ya kata ka demand jong ka NEHUSU